Zhakalaka! Raiding with a party of 17. Bro, thank you so much for the raid. Really do appreciate it. Gonna get to a proper shout in a sec before I freeze. Thank you so much for the raid. We've got 17 people rocking in here. RV and Ironsight with the follow. Appreciate it, mate. Cheers from the BeerDad.
Perhaps a new methodology.
I'm just shouting that everyone's here, aren't I?
That's right, I was trying to tell everyone about the make, killing people.
Yeah, no, that's fine, I'm gonna...
That's right.
And JPEG, was it? Yes, what a sick name. Thank you so much for the follow, mate. Appreciate it. Oh, what a raid! And we've got the original, the raid leader himself or herself, I don't know yet, we'll find out. Thank you so much, mate. Made my night. Biggest raid I've had. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna die here. 4 health. Yep. Wow. How's your night going, guys? Where have you come from? Yes! Zhakalaka! Zhakalaka, that's how you pronounce it. Thank you so much, mate. Really appreciate the sub and obviously the raid as well. Oh, you guys. RV Ironsight with the sub. Boom! Oh, legendary sub. Oh, here we go again. Fishy Buds, another sub. Thank you so much, Fishy Buds. Zhakalaka. Oh, here we go again. Sky W3. Almost said stand up. Thanks guys for joining the stream. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, you had everyone in the grab.
I've
No one was prepared to follow it up.
It's just not stopping. Pete, thank you so much, mate, for the sub. Really do appreciate it. Cheers, guys.
No, if we just had killed that Hanzo, then we already had point.
Oh, and this is
We understand that. Let us know.
Yuna. And I've realised why.
Yeah,
Oopiate.
5 out of 6 of the team. So for an L-state.
Oopiate has gone huge. He just gifted 5 subs.
Hanzo's not in the grab, so be careful. He might be
man.
about to ult.
Here I'm thanking everyone. Well, thank you so much for being in the stream first of all, but yeah, hitting those subs, Oopiate, huge.
Yeah,
Oh man, this is going off. Yeah.
Oh, hi, I wish it was blue.
Thanks guys. Oopiate, JP, the raid, everyone. Oh, the counter charge by Ronnie. Sums up how I'm feeling at the moment.
Behind.
PC419, thank you for the sub. Heals charge. Wow. What is happening? Oh, the smile on my face should be telling you guys how I'm feeling right now. I cannot believe it. What a way to pump me up on a Friday night. This is huge! What are you guys doing? Man! Oh! Need to get some heals. Some heals to go with these subs. Oh man! Oh, there we go, Mazan. Thank you so much. Oh, it's not stopping! It's not stopping! You good, Paranoid? Good, Richard? God nails. This is just bullshit, guys! Oh man! Thank you so much. Meant to be healing my team, I'm just losing my shit. What is... I feel like Twitch is just bugging out on me at the moment. This is fucking crazy!
No, he's dead.
This is crazy! Uh-oh! Clear! They're throwing a lot, Oh no, I was trying to take that deli! Beer money for days. Oh man, thank you so much everyone joining the stream. That raid, Zhakalaka, huge. Thank you guys. Definitely going to check you out after the stream. Very much appreciated. I've been streaming only now for this is 8th day streaming, so you know, hit affiliate last night. So pumped to have all you guys here. Welcome. I'm the Beer Dad. I play a nice range of games, a lot of FPS, and Friday night, beers with the boys, just playing a few Overwatch games, having fun. How we all doing, guys? Let me know. Zhakalaka. No, not Zhakalaka. I may stutter a little bit, mate. It's just me being excited. Oh, Zhakalaka.
Left side, flanking one.
That's my other stream. That's the late Sunday night. There we go. Let's get on this. Here we go. TFX, thank you so much for the sub. Gearbox. Oh, it's not stopping. It's not stopping. The atomic one. Huge. What is going on? I feel like it's like a big practical joke with Twitch at the moment. Look at Arrow. It's unstoppable. Oh, Pete is gone and just first time in the stream, he's dropping 5 subs. Mate, thank you so much. First of all, joining the stream and dropping 5 subs so these guys can come back again. Appreciate it so much, mate. Thank you for the support. It's the fucking sub train! Oh, man. Wow. I cannot believe this. I'm just looking who to thank here. 26 Wizard, thank you for the follow, mate. Mr. JP, Oopiate, Petedw, Zhakalaka for the raid. Everybody, thank you. Huge support tonight. Man, this smile is not going to leave my face tonight. Should be called the Smile Dad, not the Beer Dad. Especially with support like this. Absolutely huge. Oh man.